Hello, this is Naquadra, and today we are going to talk about climate change and global warming. These two refers to the meaning of the high concentration of greenhouse gases that are emitted through the planet, and it's thanks to us that we have created this new issue for the planet. But in order to solve this, we have to go green as soon as possible. Go green is going to be beneficial for us and for the environment because it's going to be environmentally friendly, and it's also going to reduce the amount of money that we are going to pay for our bills. And if we think about going green, we also think about the net zero project. The net zero project stands that we have to reduce the greenhouse emission gases to as close to zero as possible, mean that we are going to neutralize the greenhouse emissions, and with the remaining emissions we are going to reabsorb it from the atmosphere of the oceans and the forests, and we are going to convert it into reusable energy. And then we have what is the Paris Agreement. The Paris Agreement stands that each 5 years each country should have developed a plan that is environmentally friendly, and they are going to update this climate change action plan that is going to be beneficial, and this one is called as the National Determined Contribution. And most of the Paris Agreement have been developed, and most of the countries like Norway have established the goals of going to net zero project by 2030, but some other countries are going to follow this goal to 2050. It doesn't matter how long is it going to take, but the time that we are going to do, we have to take into consideration that we have to create and develop the green projects as soon as possible. Like the heating pumps that we have developed, that it uses the natural breezing from the ground, where the water temperature is approximately to 42 to 80 degrees of Fahrenheit, and this one is a cycle that is going to be installed a heat pump near the ground and as close to a building, and then this pump is going to suck the liquid and it's going to condense with the refrigerator, and then it's going to send through a pipe that is going underground, and depending on the season it's going to transmit either heat or air conditioning for us, and it's going to keep the maintenance low, it's going to reduce the gas combustion, and it's going to improve the local quality. And also, if we think about another project, could be the adiabatic urban cooling that is made of bamboo. The bamboo structure is and it's going to transfer the water from the top of the main poles, then it's going to push it down through a blower, and where the hot air from the outside is going to send to the human height, and then it's going to cross the water twice, and it's going to blow the air as cold as possible. This one could be used in crowded cities on the streets, and it's going to be beneficial, and it's not going to consume electricity, neither is going to send a lot of gases through the atmosphere. So I believe that we have the power to reduce electricity using solar panels or using these new technologies, and we have the tools to create a better environment that is going to be beneficial for our future generations, because we have the habit of destroying, but they are going to rebuild this habit and they are going to transform into a better life. Thanks a lot.